Stories, I'm a fool for your love.
Hello, welcome to my channel. Welcome. Oh my gosh, I'm so white here. Maybe I should wear a jacket. Wait a sec. Hi, welcome to my channel. Welcome to a new vlog. Welcome to Motivation Monday. And welcome, for the last welcome, to my health and fitness journey part 2. If you want to see part 1, I'll probably link it, so go check it out. It's currently April 2022. Easter is around the corner, and that means there are Easter eggs. I do not get stressed over that at all. But I know some people that live healthily, they do get stressed out because of that, because most Easter eggs are obviously made out of chocolate, and that's not very healthy for you. So what I do buy vegan chocolate. The only reason for that is that there is no lactose in it, and most of the time I don't eat lactose. So that's why I do that. It does not mean, vegan does not mean that it's good for you. The first ingredient on this list is literally sugar. But you know what? I do not care at all, because how many times a year are you gonna have Easter eggs? Do you get what I mean? Yes, we also have Christmas and other celebrations in which we eat unhealthy foods. However, you need to realize, what is your why? I shared that in my last video, like the last part of this journey. My why is because I want to feel good. And if I eat this all the time, then I won't feel good at all, because there is sugar in it that makes me feel not the best, especially when you drop a sugar load. Also, I break out most of the time when I eat certain things, and also things like this. So I break out even more when there is lactose in it, so that's one thing I don't have to worry about. If I eat this all the time, then I won't feel good. But if I don't eat this right now, then I won't feel good either, because I want to celebrate this with my family, with friends even. So if they have Easter eggs and I don't, because I don't know why, because I eat healthy, like the why just doesn't make sense if you do it for feeling good, because it feels better to just eat it with your friends, if it makes sense. So please just enjoy it. So I'm gonna put this in a bowl and put it on my table, and then we can enjoy it. I have 2 variations. Enjoy. I'll see you next time. Oh, and this makes me the happiest. Tea and a really good green smoothie. It's a protein smoothie, by the way. And then half a melon, like, that's my all-time fave. This, oh, I wish I could eat that every single day. What a start. Start of the month. I started this month, May, not the right way. Because first I had COVID, and now I'm not allowed to stand on my foot because I have an inflamed tendon. So, yay, not. But I do want to share with you that I can still work out if I want to, but I just need to see what works. So for example, when I had COVID, I didn't want to get heat in me. So when you work out, you can get very, very hot. And then I had to blow my nose every single second, basically. So I didn't want to do that. I did some yoga, some stretches, and that was all basically. Right now, I really want to do some high intensity things. I really want to dance, but I am not allowed to stand on my foot. So what I can do is dance without standing on my foot, and high intensity kind of workout that doesn't require any pressure on my foot. So for example, when you do push up like this, when you're standing on your knees and you have your feet in the air, then there's no pressure on your feet. Same things, there's so many ab exercises that you can do without any use of your foot basically. So that's what I'm gonna do. I don't want to show you too much because I just feel so uncomfortable doing that. But do what you can do, what you want to do, be happy and enjoy your life and your workouts because life's too short, you guys.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Hello, it is somewhere in June and I wanted to show you something that I do quite often when it comes to dinner. So here is the pasta that I've made, and then right here, as you can see, I have this one, and a plate. What I do, most of the time I create dinner for like 3 or 4 people. Today I'm eating by myself, so I'm eating 1 portion today. 1 portion goes in the fridge for tomorrow, and 1 portion goes into the freezer for the day that I don't have time for it. So even if you love cooking, or even when you don't have a busy life, I think this is such a quick, good tip to do for everyone really. Anyone can benefit from this. That was it. I'll see you another time. So normally I don't really cook with anything pre-made or like pre-measured or something, but today I'm gonna try this with, so right here this is couscous with raisins, and then over here this is a mix for sauce and a mix with spices. And other than that I'm gonna put baby spinach, vegan chicken, carrot, courgette, onion and some almonds in there. So I hope I'll like this too, because I like trying something new. Okay, well, it's the next day. I want to share with you a couple of things. Firstly, this is the final result of the dish I made yesterday. Just the leftovers are over here. And I really liked it, but I forgot to check the back and it has starch in it. So yeah, it's not very good for my IBS and that sucks. Other than that, I'm on my bike today, so I was like, I can just bring it with me. Today I am with my mum. Hey mom. Hi. The Netherlands. Such a beautiful day, and that got me thinking, I didn't even talk about going outside, and that's something very important too. Just go outside in the area where you live in. I have no idea where you are, but for me that looks like that. And we just went by bike, which is very typical. Yesterday evening, for example, I went for a walk and sat down and wrote in my journal, which is something else that I highly recommend. If you want to take care of your health, you should take care of your mental health too. Other than that, I don't think there was anything else I wanted to share, and it's the end of June, so I want to end this video here. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you haven't already. Click the bell for notifications. I already have one other health and fitness video. Will link it up above and or in the description below. And yeah, there will be more videos like this in the future, so stay tuned for that. Bye, take care.